As the cool air blows in off the ocean, humidity builds over the forest. The air is heavy with condensation, culminating in the spectacular and frequent downpours that give these magnificent regions their name, rainforests. There's a quiet still as the brooding clouds draw near. The first droplets of rain fall, a teasing prelude to the approaching downpour. Rain falls in vast quantities in the forest, with millions of litres pouring down each day. It falls in greater quantities than in any other environment on Earth. The plants will only absorb about 1/4 of the rainfall. The rest will soak into the soil, flow into the streams, or simply evaporate into the air, creating the humid rainforest environment. Long after the rain has stopped, drops of water continue to fall from the leaves and branches of the canopy, eventually trickling to the forest floor. Groundwater continues to flow, freshly joining myriad streams that weave through the forest. For some trees, this can prove disastrous. Having grown so tall in the desperate quest for sunlight, many trees lack the root structure to stay upright in the softened ground. It can be a dangerous world, where each day is a battle for survival. But with each drop of rain, the canopy is open to new light. New plant life is given its chance to strive for the top. Early in the new day, we find the rufous fantail. This mystical and rarely seen bird uses a spider's cobweb to stitch her nest together. She has scouted the forest for small twigs and fine grasses that will enable her nest to withstand the harshest of weather conditions. The multicolored king parrot. This magnificent bird eagerly feasts on sweet berries, taking advantage of the morning light. The rainforest is home to many amazing wonders, like this giant fungus. It spreads its spores by releasing them as a fine powder into the morning air. This beautiful landscape provides all the essentials for raising a family. The rufous fantail takes every precaution to keep her eggs from harm. She is an alert mother and guards her eggs jealously through the long incubation. Lush moss. It thrives near the crisp, clean waters of the river streams. Tiny structures draw moisture as the water flows past. Even fallen trees play an important role in the forest, providing food and shelter for other plants and animals. Toadstools, spectacularly translucent. These tiny wonders are a fascinating sight as they perch on the sides of rocks and trees. Small droplets also cling to delicate leaves and branches. These beautiful formations reflect light like tiny crystal lenses. Magnificent colours and patterns can be revealed throughout the forest. We find magical detail everywhere, from the tiniest leaves to the spectacular hues of the animals and birds. The vivid red and green colours of the king parrot, the multicoloured lorikeets, and the intricately patterned feathers of the catbird. Amidst all the change within this busy world, we also find a tranquility like no other. Far from human development, we find nature in its purest form. Gentle streams of crystal clear water flow freely through this endless maze. Another day slowly draws to a close. Sunset. Ancient tribes believed that the last colourful rays of light were a gift from the gods. As the sun slowly sinks in the sky, it signals the end of the day shift.